Hello tubers. Well, we're again at the farm, but there are some other animals here. Yeah, I want to show you. They make a lot of noise. Ah, my friends. Oh, the smell is... Oi, oi, oi. The smell is not Chanel number 5. It's a different smell. Oh la 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 la. Oei, 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 oei. And here's the lovely van again, eh? Well, there are no marks on it, but look at that. It's a huge van, eh? Look at that, huge van. Everything is hydraulic. Complete system with cooling and air conditioning and freezers inside. Whoa, more than that. I like that. We're going to eat healthy tonight. Oh la 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 la, that's a lot of noise, my friend. Ah, look, here, some other friends. Oh, they're still asleep. Or already asleep. Oh, nice chicken. Same sort, very large chickens. Véhicule magasin. Super. Great stuff. Look at that, all fresh farm products. Right then. Fresh butter, beurre de sel. Oh, lovely, nice cheeses. Look at that. Nice blue. Oh, yeah. Great taste. Small goat cheese. Wait, small goat cheeses. Lasagnas. Oh la la, look at that. Great stuff. I like it.
Voilà.
C'est comment on vend ta limousin? Ah, c'est la côte de veau ça? Non.
Non, c'est pas.
C'est rôti de porc, c'est là.
Bon.
Oh là là, qu'est-ce que c'est? Luc, ça c'est artisanal? Ça?
C'est pas du Coca-Cola.
Chef, le Coca-Cola c'est artisanal?
Ouais. Ça fait du bien.
Tu mets un peu de whisky là-dedans, hein,
Oh,
pour te remonter.
Whisky? Whisky?
Et
Oh là là.
quel poids ou...
800 grammes.
800. Ça?
Ça c'est du mouton.
Non, du bouton, j'ai pas. J'ai pas de bouton aujourd'hui.
Mais quand est-ce qu'on peut venir ici? Tous les jours ou non?
Non, non.
Bon, quand je suis là, ça va.
De temps en temps. Donner un coup de fil ou quoi?
850 grammes.
Oui, ok.
Ça va?
Et votre saumon est à combien là?
C'est plus ou moins 12 € le paquet. Il est super bon.
Oh, I like these cheeses. Lovely cheeses. Well, smells so good. We still have to eat. It's about 7 at night, but I still like this lovely red van. It looks like a fire truck, but what's this? Main power supplies, batteries. Ah, another cooling system. Backup cooling system. Foie climatisation. Oh, great. Nice big doors for his freezer. Rear entrance. Step up. Alright my friends, this was it from Belgium. Be seeing you. Bye bye.